everyone, Jeff here with Seven Peaks Fence and Barn, and I want to tell you today about some of our newest products. We're always looking to add products to our lineup and add products to our existing setup. So here today I'm going to show you the different products we just barely started bringing in to help you guys out. Here we go. Alright, now our first product we want to talk to you today about is our stock tanks. Now with every one of our stall kits and different pens, pastures, whatever you're making, if you have a horse or some types of livestock, cows, goats, sheep, whatever it may be, you need to have water for them, right? So obviously we've never had stock tanks in the past or any type of watering system. So again, we wanted to bring some of the best products in. So we found H&W products, and we got these stock tanks. Now we've got different sizes. Now you can see we've got the round end here, so they're more long, oblong, and they've got the round end. So we've got these. This one particularly is for goat and sheep or smaller animals, but we also have taller ones, about 2 feet tall, and they come in 4, 6, 8, I think. So different lengths available here at our Texas and our Arizona location. So be sure to call us beforehand, but we've got these in stock, as well as the round stock tanks. Okay, these are going to hold a lot more water. Obviously these can be great for out in your pastures or cow pens or whatever you want to use these for. These are fantastic. Now what I love about the H&W products, they're really good quality stock tank. They actually roll in 1.25 inches onto the top, unlike most of the other stock tanks out there on the market. And so they're comparable to a 14 gauge material, just like our heavy duty panels. So these are a great heavy duty stock tank that I think will last you guys a long time. So if you need waters, we now have those. So let's jump into our next product that I want to show you guys. Here we go. All right, now to go along with our stock tanks, our waters, now we got to have some feeders, right? If you got any of our stalls or cattle working system, whatever it may be, you got to have a place to feed your cows, your horses. So we've got a few options here. And it's going to be different between Texas and Arizona. There's different needs in each state. But first and foremost, we got our hanging stall feeder. Okay, again, every stall that you have, you're going to need some type of feeder, especially for your horses. Okay, and I'm going to show you how these mount here shortly. But these are a great hanging stall feeder that attach to all of our panels using these U-bolts. Okay, we'll show you how those go together. But I think you guys are going to really like these. We also have here in Texas, everybody has round bales. So we got some of these round bale feeders. And I know we're going to get some of those fence line, inline feeders here in the future. So stay tuned for that. But these are some great products to be able to feed your animals, horses, and livestock that we now have lined up. So stay tuned as we add additional products going forward. Hopefully you guys are excited about these feeders and these stock tanks. But great lineup to go along with our previous products, our stalls, our goat and sheep pens, all our different pens that we offer. You're going to need some type of feeder and a water or stock tank. So great quality products. Hey, be sure to like and subscribe on this video and to our channel for more great horse and livestock fencing products and tips and tricks when you're building all your fencing. Thanks, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to put myself into one of your scenarios possibly, because I've fallen into this before. Say you have a new horse, you're super excited, you're bringing it home tomorrow, you need a stall, okay? And we've had this over and over again, and we've had people come in, rush and need a stall. They have a horse coming home tomorrow, okay? And your only thought is, hey, I need to get the stall for them to keep, for us to keep them in, okay? So I just got my stall. Well, guess what? You forgot about the water trough and the feeder, okay? So here at Seven Peaks, you can get both of those. You just set up your stall, you're ready to go. You bring your horse home, throw the water trough in. Okay, you got your stock tank, and now we're gonna hang up the feeder. So, super easy to do, we'll show you how. got my feeder hung. Okay, it's ready to go. I'm ready to get my new horse in here. Just like I said, I got a new horse coming tomorrow. Now I got my water trough, I got my feeder, I got my stall, shade, got some cool wood. Okay, all from Seven Peaks. Now I can bring my horse home to have a happy, nice, fun life, live my dreams. Hope you guys can live yours too. So thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for our next video where we talk more about horse and livestock fencing, brought to you by Seven Peaks Fence Barn.